Good morning and welcome to Bhajie Cottage. This morning we are delighted to have Rashmita from Be Spiced by Rashmita back in our kitchen. Rashmita runs lots of our cookery workshops here at Bhajie Cottage in normal circumstances, but today she's come over to do some of our videos and we're going to start off. Rashmita is going to show us how to make some fabulous baked vegetable bhajies. So I'm just going to leave the kitchen now and hand over to Rashmita, who's going to show you how very simply you can make baked vegetable bhajies. Rashmita.
Okay, to make baked vegetable bhajies, you can substitute the ingredients that I've got here. I've got carrots and courgettes here, so I'm going to put those in. And a bhaji doesn't taste right if you haven't got any onions, so I've got sliced onions. They go in. And we're going to put some oats in as well, because we're going to make these bhajies really healthy and good for us. So oats are going in. And then I've got some broad beans here, which are mashed up. They're going to go in, and this is ingredients that's going to help bind it as well and stay together when we bake them. And when I said we're making baked bhajies, it's because we wanted to make them healthy. So I've got assorted seeds here. I've got sunflower seeds, pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds and chia seeds here. So we're going to add those in. And then we're going to season it with a bit of garlic, some ginger, and you need some salt, cumin powder, and some sugar. So I've done roughly about a teaspoon of everything, and half a teaspoon of turmeric. And if you want to make them spicy, we'll make them a little bit spicy. Half a teaspoon of chilli. And then about 3 to 4 tablespoons of lemon juice. Because we've added the sugar in, we want to make sure that it's not too sweet, so we want it sweet and sour. And coriander to give it the flavour. Now the mixture's going to look quite dry, so we're going to add some yogurt, natural yogurt. You can add fromage frais if you want, low fat, any yogurt that you've got, that goes in. And then it's all mixed. Before I started doing this, what I did was I put my cupcake tray in the oven to warm up, and I've greased them so that when we put the bhajies in, they will start to cook straight away, and hence we'll get a nice crispy base. And now this is all mixed, so we're going to just put in half a teaspoon of bicarbonate soda. That helps the vegetables to cook, okay? Most important thing is when you've got everything mixed together, just like cake, make sure, you know, when you do butter and sugar, you've got to try and see if you can mix this rigorously. And I think this is ready, but before we even start putting it into a cupcake tray, we need to make sure the taste is right. So taste it, and what are you looking for? You're looking for something that you like. So if you can't taste all the spices, it means it might be lacking in salt. If you like things spicy, it's because there's not enough chilli. So have a taste. I'm going to add a little bit of sugar and a bit more lemon juice to this. Tiny bit of salt. I can taste everything else. I'm going to give it a good mix again. My baking tray will be ready. I'm going to get that out. And all you do now is fill . So once you've filled them, what you'll do is just drizzle a little bit of oil on top so that you get a nice crispy top as well. And you bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. And if they're not nice and golden brown, just leave it in for another 5-10 minutes and keep an eye on it. They go nice and golden brown. To just drizzle . And then that will go into the oven.
Perfect, Rashmita. They look amazing and super healthy as well, being baked. Fabulous.